everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration to create some videos, so I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Merry Fitmas, you guys. It's 6:30. About to get some water started for the day. Some meditation and gratitude later. Sorry, this is gonna be more of a vlog style video. So after doing my meditation and like thinking about it, I decided I'm gonna work out before I go to work today, which typically honestly isn't something that I would do, but it's a shorter shift. It's only about 5 hours. Go in at 9:45, so I have plenty of time this morning to go. So like what I was thinking is the gym is gonna be so much busier at that time than it is gonna be now. I'm gonna try and get out the door in the next 10 minutes and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna grab for a snack. It's likely I'm thinking gonna be a banana. So this is the Whitney Simmons Gymshark fit. It's still some of my favorite stuff to wear. It's just so soft and so flattering. These are these shorts. They're so buttery soft, you guys. It has a little slight butt crunch, so it makes it look va boom, but not too much so. Today is glutes and hamstrings. Pre-workout snacks. Alright y'all, right into a tone and sculpt glute and hamstring workout, you guys. If you're new here, just to let you know, I've been with the tone and sculpt app for a while now. I love it. I've done multiple videos on it. But first things first, we're getting warmed up to get my blood good and pumping. While just freezing outside, all it took was a little warming up for me to remove my outer layer and feel comfortable inside the gym. For me personally, a thorough warm-up is very, very important before I hit glutes. Just make sure that they're good and activated before I start hitting my working sets. My first exercise was hip thrusts and we had a drop set. I haven't been hip thrusting as heavy as I'm used to, but my muscles have just been very tired and fatigued lately. So I started at 115 pounds, went up to 165, 185, and then 215 pounds for the last set. Now we did some sumo deadlifts. Sumo deadlifts, I actually did these yesterday at my full body workout. So these definitely felt really, really heavy just because I was still kind of sore. So I went 115, 135, and then 145 for my last 2 sets. I wasn't able to go as heavy as I usually do, but you know, that's okay.
Stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip this. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, you still love playing those games.
This next exercise, superset frog pumps with goblet squats, should not be underestimated. I really, really like the frog pumps. You actually have your feet together. I add a band to just add some additional resistance.
3 sets, 12 reps, superset. Third set, 12 reps.
And I really like the way that this feels on my gluteus medius. Definitely give them a try to get that booty pump. Workout was pretty good. Definitely felt tired because I did full body yesterday, but I'm happy I got it done because thinking about doing it after work, I think I would have had less energy and wanted to do it a lot less, and the gym would have been busier. So I'm about to make my smoothie.
ask. A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last.
So I'm getting ready to go to work, and I actually packed my lunch last night. So these are some of the spaghetti and meatballs that we made last night, which was so good. And this is the salad, and then I put a paper towel in between the toppings and the lettuce. So I'm just going to put some dressing in a little container. I have a short shift today, so this should be more than enough to eat. They provide water at work, so I don't ever have to bring water with me, so I will drink that. This is my lunch, like I showed you guys earlier. I just took out my piece of paper towel. Now I'm gonna eat my salad first and then heat up my spaghetti. Pour this on there. It's also so hard to drink water, so this is my second 10 ounce that I'm working on, so I'm gonna try and do this one and this one. 2 hours or so left. There's no water. Y'all know I love my coffee, so I'm having that with my after work snack, which is some olive dip, some crackers, and some salami. This olive dip we have been absolutely obsessed with. It is so flame. Definitely give it a try with some crackers and salami.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is.
So the plan for dinner is I have this roll that my mom bought from an Italian bakery. So I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to put my meatballs on, a slice of cheese, a little bit of sauce, and then I'm going to put it in here. This is a waffle maker, kind of like a panini. We're going to see if this is going to work out or not. We're literally just winging everything.
Oh, wow.
This is literally just two meatballs. Doesn't even fit. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, you guys, I think this actually worked. Ouch, it's a little hot. Hail Mary. I actually think we did something here. It looks pretty good. It's so good. I do like it a little saucy. I just didn't want to make a mess in my waffle maker, so I'll add in some more. For dessert, I'm gonna be having one of these Miss Debbie tree cakes. I think this is the last one, and then also a Kit Kat. We are all about balance, and that's always something that I want to promote, and I do like to have dessert and treats as well, and even if it's something kind of small like this, it's still something that I really enjoy. That sandwich was really good. I wasn't super hungry, that's why I didn't add a side or do a salad, and some nights, you guys, that's just what it is. Like, I don't eat a salad every night or always eat completely balanced meals. Like, I'll be transparent, I don't always do that. I do it when I can and as much as possible, but every meal, that isn't always what happens. I'm going to wrap a couple of gifts, and then I'm going to eat these snacks and enjoy them. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. Be sure to give me a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more me, more inspiration, more vlogs. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.